Hey team, Tim Thomas here. Wanted to get up here and record a video, guys, talking about the Adtrics program. And because the launch is coming up pretty quickly, guys, we're coming down to the next week or two. We're positioning ourselves. Today officially starts the pre-launch, and I'm excited about it. And I want to do a further review of this program. Can it work for you? But before we go into the review, guys, again, I'm Timothy Thomas, uploading videos on a daily basis to help you achieve a lifetime of financial freedom and fun and success. So guys, excited today to bring you this review. Go ahead, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber, and I'll bring you video updates, guys, on ways to attain financial freedom from the comfort of your home, ways to be your own boss, do what you want to do, have success in your life in every area, and to inspire you to achieve your wildest dreams. And go ahead and like the video. I would really appreciate that. Guys, will this Adtrics course work for you? And you have to be the judge of that. If you put it to work, it will work for you. I did a pros and cons video earlier yesterday, and I'll talk about the pros, and it was more pros than what's cons. The only con I found, it was 8 weeks and some people's attention span. But guys, if you stay the course, this thing can be an amazing program for you. The tools, the resources that can be used in this program can change your life for the better. So we're excited. I'm going to be doing a review. Let's get on the inside. Let's have a sneak peek of what the 8-week course is going to detail. The step-by-step media buying certification program. Folks, what exactly is Adtrics? It is a program that will position you to be the expert at media buying. It will position you not only to be the expert, be to the go-to person for your local businesses, how to drive hordes of traffic to any local business website utilizing social media. And if you don't want to do that, guys, and if you want to do it, if you don't want to do it, there is also a way that you can become a traffic expert and how to convert and offers and how to scale your business to the moon beyond your wildest imagination. It, again, teaches you how to become proficient and a traffic expert and how to scale your business. And guys, that's what you need. If you want to be a working home entrepreneur, create 10 grand per month, guys, with Adtrics, it'll show you how to achieve 6-figure income with just 4 folks partnering with you, 4 businesses. Guys, that's completely exciting. Let's go to the inside and look under the hood and see what this program details. Guys, you can master the #1 skill set nobody talks about, how to generate over 120 grand per year with 4 sales or more, even if you don't have a lot of experience or money. And this is the workshop that you can have previous to why 99% of the people fail, how to generate, how he was able to generate 50 million online, how to leverage other people's money to build a 7-figure empire. Folks, a case study on how he got the BMW Corporation to pay him 6 figures to do it. That is exciting. Inside, here is what the Adtrics Academy High Performance Media Buying Certification Program can do for you. #1, it can give you direct access to Fred Land's 8-week live training and mentorship. Value $16,000. This is not typical online course where you get pre-recorded videos that serve 0 accountability and 0 interaction. Instead, you get live coachings with Fred for weeks, for 8 weeks, minimum of 2 weeks each. Not only will Fred show you step-by-step how to become a high-performance media buyer, but the strategies, the tactics that will be used, guys, and you will be able to ask Fred questions directly. This 8-week mentorship is custom tailored to you, to ensure that you are going to get the maximum results and predictable patterns and the ability to potentially generate 6 figures from this skill set. Fred, that has helped Fred generate over 50 million in revenue in the last 13 years. #2, the master brilliant strategic framework can be replicated. This is in week #2. Is valued at over right at $6,000. While traffic is the lifeblood of the business itself is important. Through Fred's career as an entrepreneur, he has unlocked 6 different brilliantly strategic frameworks that can help anyone replicate for any business. By simply teaching one of these frameworks, Fred has helped individuals like you from being a complete newbie to a successful high income earner, out of which 5 are now millionaires. He's created over 5 millionaires. Over 30 are six-figure earners, and hundreds of people are on track to generate full-figure income. You can enroll in the Adtrics Academy and you'll learn not just one of these frameworks, but 6 of them you'll have access. And you'll be able to leverage the most valuable skill set of media buying into any business. Number 3, third week, shifting the paradigm to a high-performance media buyer. Guys, when you shift your paradigm, meaning your process, your way of thinking, your way of processing information, your way of executing, folks, then with proper training, with the brilliantly strategic framework in place, you can deliver for the business the need to think like a high-performance media buyer. Toss out the way you think about the old way of thinking. Fred mentorship can help you to avoid common pitfalls that lead to the failure of most media buying companies. Understanding the art of media buying, the psychological work that is in hand. And it can't be more true. If you can understand your audience's thinking, folks, you will be more successful in crafting the meshes at the right place and at the right time. Week number 4, generating revenue with the indefinite loophole. If you don't have a business yet, once you become a certified media buyer, you can simply acquire clients and apply Fred Lamb's proven infinite loophole strategic strategy into the business and charge them at least $2,500 for execution. Folks, this repeatable strategy can be applied to any business, even if you already have one. This is really a unique way of scaling up your business, targeting leads, and cultivating them into your sales funnel for more. Week number 5, leveraging big data to turn traffic into a revenue generator. This is almost $1,000 value. Collecting data, folks, it's the ultimate key to media buying. Many media buyers fail because they don't know how to properly analyze their campaign, the data. They don't know how to analyze it, to look at it, to get the results, to be able to shape that campaign from a unprofitable campaign to a very profitable campaign. And that's what you're going to learn in week number 5. Not only are you going to become a data expert after completing Adtrics Academy, you will know how to pinpoint the key performance matrix and creativity to leverage big data to scale your business without feeling lost or overwhelmed with numbers. Folks, it's going to show you how to put all that in a nutshell, how to look at the data, how to quickly process it, how to target your ads. For example, if you're selling a weight loss product for millenniums, you're going to target the millennium age group, and you're going to target, let's say you want to target a specific gender. You target that specific gender. And that's what Fred's going to teach. How to go where the buyers are. You find out where they're hanging out on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, wherever they're hanging out, and you go to where they are. You find a problem that they have, and then you come in with a solution. Folks, it's a win-win situation. Week number 6, privilege. Your opportunity to work with Fred Lamb. Folks, this is absolutely priceless, an opportunity to work with Fred Lamb. Fred has built this program because he needs more media buyers in his business. If you have become Adtrics certified, you have a potential opportunity to work with Fred Lamb and his multi-million-dollar businesses. And, of course, get continuous direct coaching from Fred. At the same time, you will be added to our Adtrics Alliance to be acknowledged as a high-performance media buyer and potentially become a media buyer for Fred's network of entrepreneurs. Folks, Fred's got business lined up for you. He's got jobs lined up for you. Once you become a high-performance media buyer, he has folks that need your help, and he wants to align you with them. Folks, it is an incredible strategy that Fred has come up with, this academy. However, there are strict qualifications, and you must first get certified in our high performance media buying certification program. Let's look on the inside. Again, here are the weeks of the training. Here's a sneak peek of what you will be mastering in the 8-week mentorship with Fred Lamb and the Adtrics Academy. Number 1, again, the high performance media buying launchpad. Week number 2, step 3, formula to turn social media traffic into a profit. Week number 3, tapping into the massive pool of hyperactive buyers for any businesses. You're going to go there, guys. Type into the pool of where they are. Week number 4, you're going to master traffic Rolodex, advertising on 95% of the World Wide Web. Week number 5, master the art of video advertising on YouTube. Folks, YouTube is one of the biggest, fastest, and best ways I've ever seen to make money in my life. And you're going to be able to master the advertising art on YouTube. How to create an infinity loophole against infinite loophole of sizzling hot traffic. Folks, traffic on demand. Sizzling hot, meaning direct targeted traffic to what you have to offer. Laser focus, strategically putting your offer in front of folks who need your service. Media Buyer Guide to Scaling to the Moon. Incredible. Explode your business and your business results. How to scale to the moon. You find a winning campaign. You find out, you test your campaigns. This is going to show you how to test your campaigns. Find out what's working. That's why when I use solo ads, guys, when I run solo ads, I don't run 1,000. I test it with like 100 clicks, 150 clicks, sometimes 50 clicks. And I test the traffic, see if it's going to convert. Then, if I get sales out of 100, 200 clicks, I'll buy a 500-piece solo ad or a 1,000-piece solo ad, 1,500. And that's how I do. You test your traffic source. You test your ads. You test, and then you find what works, what wins, and you scale up to the moon. How to become a high-performance media buyer. Folks, let's quickly go over here for just a second and take a sneak peek of one of Fred's videos, and we'll close this video out, guys. Module 2, the $300 per day e-commerce blueprint. Here's the modules, guys. How to make $300 per day overview. $300 per day e-commerce blueprint. $300 per day affiliate marketing. $300 per day lead generation. And how to start a business. We're going to go, I was really impressed with what Fred had to say in all of these things, but I really want us to take a look at this, what he's got to say in the $300 per day e-commerce blueprint. Let's see what Fred's got to say.
Now, in this first video, hey, Fred Lamb here, and welcome to the Online Profit Machine. Now, in this first video, I want to eliminate the limited beliefs that you have when it comes to building a $300 a day business. I will even walk you through on the business models and the overview of the blueprints that you are about to learn inside this video training. So first of all, let's talk about the $300 a day business first. Here's the deal. A lot of people believe, and I'm sure that this is in your mind right now, is how on earth am I able to make $300 a day for my business? In reality, it is a lot easier than you think, because all you have to do is actually break this down even further. So what do I mean by that? Well, in order for you to make $300 a day, let's say that you make $30 per sale. So if you actually take $300 and divide it by $30, you simply only need 10 sales. That's all you need. You don't need hundreds or thousands of sales. You only need 10 sales to get started. Now, you might be wondering, well, how do I get these 10 sales? Well, inside the Online Profit Machine, you are going to learn 3 core ways for you to actually generate 10 sales. And I want to actually break this down with you right now to actually allow you to learn what these all are.
Folks, see how Fred's teaching. Not only is going to tell you what it's going to take to make the $300 per day, what it's going to take to do the scaling up, what it's going to take. He's going to put ABC 1, 2, 3 processes in place so that you can strategically, step by step, strategically follow what is needed to learn the skill set, folks, to scale yourself to a six-figure income.
All right. So the first method is e-commerce. Now, don't let the word e-commerce scare you, okay? I'm not asking you to invest into inventory. I'm not going to be asking you to invest thousands of dollars. You can actually start selling physical products without owning any inventory at all. You're simply just selling the products, and you can actually sell products at whatever price you want. I will show you exactly how to do this in our later video, but the first one is e-commerce. Simply selling physical products that you don't own and that you don't have to worry about fulfilling the orders at the same time. And you simply just want to sell products that costs or charges customer $30. There are so many things that you can sell that is around $30. There are the consumer gadgets, there are home products, there are kitchen products, there are hunting.
Guys, we're going to stop there. I'm going to stop the video there. But just an amazing video here, guys. Just a quick, guys, recap. Week 1, week 2, week 3. That right there is what you're going to get inside of this training class. Fred himself is going to be teaching step-by-step methods. It's going to help explode your income, help you to become a professional media buyer, and help you to grow your income. All right, guys. Later today or later this week, I will be talking about some of our other businesses that we're involved with, guys. The Instant Cash Solution, the Millionaire Mailer, the 12-minute affiliate. We're going to be talking about those programs this week. But we want to get in front of this Adtrics launch, guys. It's going to be one of the biggest ones that we've been a part of in a long time. So we're excited that people can learn a skill set that not only they can use for this program, but for the remainder of their lives. Guys, like the video, share the video. Bye for now, guys. Until the next video.